Okay, so this is my desk. This is my office. And as you can see, I basically have a table with no drawers in it whatsoever. So all of my storage has to be very creative when I'm using things because I don't like a cluttered desk when I'm working. I like things to be cleaned off yet organized. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking for is things to make this more organized. So I'm hoping I can find some containers to hold basic office supplies because you guys have seen my backdrop. This is my backdrop. So this is all of my organizers in my boxes, so they're easy for me to get to, but I still have to turn around. So I need a place for pens, for whiteout, for sticky notes, for paper clips, and all those things. And I found out something interesting. This is a metal desk, so this is magnetic because it's metal. So I'm going to search and see what magnetic options I can come up with and organize my office a little bit more efficiently. Okay, so here is a tour of my desk that has absolutely no drawers. So it's basically a DIY desk. I took two tables and put them side by side. So finding storage for my desk is a little bit tricky until I found those magnetic organizers. So I have them all set up here. I have the 3-1 here where my note cards are, whiteout and other, I even have an empty container for other miscellaneous office supplies. And then over here is where I keep my markers and highlighters, my pens, a couple pairs of scissors. Over here are my mini Post-its, which I use all the time, binder clips, personal items back behind and out of the way, and some extra organizers that are also magnetic. These are spice containers that I can have paper clips and binder clips and rubber bands. It works out perfectly. And then this is a magnetic knife strip, and I put that on there because binder clips stick to it perfectly. So I have notes, I can set them on there. My passwords I have on there, so everything is really close to my desk, which makes it quite easy. So when I push my chair in, this is where I would be sitting. So everything is super close and super easy for me to get to. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye.